Let's learn how to play a song by ear, because this is the way that we make playing music a social experience, and socializing via music helps our mental health. Let's get started. Let's check out this song. I just found as the first result when searching emotional piano music. So when I first saw that video, one, I was like, wow, this is beautiful. And two, I was like, wow, I really suck at playing the piano. How on earth would I ever be able to do something like that? But what you gotta do is you gotta feel these emotions, let them in, let them out, and then think. I'm gonna show you some techniques I use to think about the song we just listened to. This is the best step for me getting through the anxiety of learning a new song. 1. Listen for what you can easily hear. When I think of that song and that beginning, I think ding, 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 right? So let's start right there. Okay, I'm not gonna practice it, I'm just gonna figure it out. So first I sing the first note, ding, ding, ding. There we go, that sounds like what it is. I try to say it vocally. I say ding, 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 and I try to find that, even if it's in a different octave, because he's playing up here. But when I was singing it, my voice lands over there, and that's okay. Just figuring out the right note letter is really important to start. The next part is something that we call an ostinato. An ostinato is like a groove. It's something that's repeating. It's a melody that's repeating and is mostly in the background. It's a supporting role. It's not really called a groove because grooves are typically in the bass part of an instrument, and ostinatos tend to be kind of anywhere and are typically used for like classical music terms and stuff. Okay, that ostinato, da 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 da. I like to say the melody on a syllable like da or ba, or even different syllables, because it helps it get inside my head, and then I can figure out how to put that on a piano. Okay, so unfiltered, y'all. Here we go. Ba da 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 ba da 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 da. Okay, now unfiltered, I'm going to attempt to do the process of putting those two parts together. We have this whole... I think he went up an octave. And then I think he went down. I thought he did something like that. But then it's dissonant. So I'm finding there's some disconnect. So this is when I usually listen back to the recording. Let's see what we got here. So it was in the ostinato part that it changes. It's kind of sustaining itself. I feel a lot of tension there. Okay, again, unfiltered, right? Was it something like... I like to slow it down, especially when I'm learning it. You don't have to go quickly when you're learning these things. And you might notice that there's one note that I keep playing incorrectly. That's okay. Like making a puzzle, sometimes you gotta keep that incorrect puzzle piece in there for a little bit. Fix it later. Keep going with the flow. Okay. We'll be going more in depth into different aspects of this in the future. Anyway, I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day. This has been Imanni from Imanni Music. Bye.